In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Steam game to a different account. This is not a direct process because Steam doesn't officially support game transfers between accounts. However, there are a few workarounds and alternatives that can help you share access or make the most out of your existing library without violating Steam's terms of service. If your goal is to allow another person, like a friend or family member, to play your game, Steam Family Sharing is the best and safest option. To enable this, both accounts must be on the same computer at least once. Start by logging into your Steam account on the computer you want to share with. Then go to Steam. In here, click on Settings. Now, press on Family. There, you can authorize the device and select the user accounts you want to share your library with. Once that's set up, the other person can log into their own account on that device and access your shared games. Note that only one user can actively play a shared library at a time, so simultaneous use of the same game isn't allowed. In cases where you bought a game as a gift and haven't redeemed it yet, you can still send it to another Steam user. If the gift hasn't been accepted, it remains transferable. However, once a game is redeemed to a specific account, it's permanently locked to that account and cannot be transferred, sold, or moved elsewhere. That's why it's important to double-check the recipient before activating a gifted game. If you're switching to a new account and want your existing games there, unfortunately, there's no official way to migrate the licenses. However, for free-to-play games or games that use external accounts like Epic, Ubisoft Connect, or Riot, you may still be able to re-access your progress by linking your new Steam account to the third-party service. For example, Valorant, Fortnite, and Rainbow Six Siege can be relinked this way if the external account remains unchanged. Lastly, avoid using third-party tools or sites that claim to move or duplicate games between accounts. These are against Steam's terms and can get both accounts permanently banned. Thank you for watching this video.